Hey everybody, Mr. Carter here with a quick video on how to use our new online payment system. And so when you're in the newsletter, you're going to click on that link right there and it brings you directly to the page. This also works on your phone. If you're using your phone, it will work on the mobile site as well. And so this brings you up to the band payment page. In the description, type your kid's name and what it's for, whatever it might be, supplies, etc. And then you're just going to type in the amount and click add to cart. Now when you do that, it brings up the next screen and it shows you over here what the service fee is going to be. So take a look at that and make sure that that's all right. If you don't want to pay the service fee, then you have to pay in person, either with cash or a check. And so once you have looked at that, you can hit checkout right down here. And then it brings you to the checkout screen. Click next. And then here's where you're going to type in your contact information, email address, and everything else. Just fill out all those fields. And then you'll click next. And on the next screen, it's going to ask you for your credit card information, debit card information. You're going to click the gold next button on that screen as well and hit place order. And when you do that, your payment is accepted, and then it will send me an email and right away letting me know that you've paid the fee. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, as always, just let me know.